Hey folks, welcome to another episode of Hunting Down Hot Wheels. Today we will be hunting at Walmart. So tonight on Halloween Eve, we found a couple of 2026 castings. These are new on shelves, which we haven't seen before. Some cool casting as well, just like this one, Chevy Impala. This is the new one for 2026 as well. So a lot of new 2025 castings as well, just like this Land Rover. And I thought this was it, but unfortunately this is a dud. But it's a Super Treasure Hunt variant of 2026 casting. And this is another new one from 2025, which is Alfa Romeo. Other than that, I grabbed myself a couple of Gulf decaled Ford RS200. Got one factory fresh Maserati, and a couple of Land Rover as well. And last but not least, also I have found some, I would say, one of the exotic, which is the Gordon Murray. It's cool. And also Borgia decaled Ford GT. So these are the ones I will be unboxing soon. I'm niching down my collection, but what do you think about tonight's hunt? So happy Halloween. Other than that, some of the Christmas decaled M2 are here. These are bonus for me as well tonight. So some of them are very good looking. I really like how like those kind of like Spectre frame paint job on these cars, but these are really cool casting. So overall, not a bad hunt. See you next time.